There are 3 bags and each bag has 2 ducks. We can say 3 lots of 2 or 3 times 2. If we add all the ducks together, we will get the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's try another sum. This time we have 3 baskets and each basket has 4 apples. So we can say we have 3 lots of 4 or 3 times 4. If we add all the apples together, we will get the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12. This time we have 4 baskets and each basket has 1 bottle. So we can say we have 4 lots of 1 or 4 times 1. If we add the bottles together, we will get the answer 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4 times 1 equals 4. Can you try the last one by yourself? Remember to count how many fish bowls there are, then count the number of fish in each bowl. 2 times 3 equals 6. Did you get the answer? Well done for trying.